day dreams go beyond.
QAQC engineer. Candidate requirements: bachelor's degree or diploma in civil engineering or a related field. Minimum 8 to 10 years of experience and also experience in construction industry in the UAE. Excellent organisational skills with strong attention to detail. Ability to work under pressure and meet strict deadlines.
Selected candidates will be provided with the monthly salary package details.
Interested UAE available and UAE building construction experienced candidates. Please send your CV only to Anisha Jayan@alrawabit.com. Please mention the position you are applying for in the subject line.
Subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications to stay updated on the latest career opportunities in the UAE.